Greetings to everyone. I am Nicola from nn.web. Welcome to my new tutorial. And today we are going to install WordPress on a local machine, but instead of using XAMPP, we are going to use local by Flywheel. So what is that? According to their website, local is the #1 local WordPress development tool. They have a free version or Pro. Feel free to scroll down to their website and see their feature. And now let's install a local on my local machine. I'm using Windows 10, but you can download local for Mac, Linux, and so on. Okay, let's install it. Click Run. Okay, only for me. This is the root directory. Wait few seconds to install it. Let's run a local. Okay, here you have many options. Feel free to explore this part, but we are going to create a new website. For example, let's name it test environment. Let's check advanced options. Here you can set up a local site domain, site path, and you can use Blueprint, but for now we don't want to do that. Click on continue. Preferred setup is PHP on this version, this server, and MySQL. Also in custom, you can choose your own PHP version, web server, Apache, and database. Okay, we are going to use preferred. Click on continue. Let's type our WordPress username. For this tutorial, we are going to use my name and 1234 password, but for a live website, don't use these credentials. Use much complicated password. This is a WordPress email. In advanced option, you can choose this is a WordPress multi-site. No. And click on add site. The program will do stuff for us. Wait a few seconds. Here we can check our web server, PHP version, database, and those informations. We can stop our site or go and view site. This is our site because the Firefox is my default browser. Again, let's go on Opera, not Opera localhost. Also, we can go to admin of our site, type Nicola 1234, okay, and click on login. And now we are on backend part of our site. You see, this is default WordPress theme 2020 with all of those settings. Now let's get again to local sites, and here if we have more than one website, we can list it here. Also, we can stop using our site, just like here, and start site again. And one very handy feature for local is using a live link. The XAMPP machine doesn't have this feature, but if we enable it, we can copy this link, paste it here. This link we can send through mail, Viber, WhatsApp to our clients, friends, and so on. And if we click enter, they are going to see our work. This is very handy if we are developing website for clients and we can send a demo or unfinished version to their review. Okay, again, let's go to local again. Here we can add another site. Okay, this is the end of this tutorial. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Let's like this tutorial, give me thumbs up, spread the word with your colleagues and friends. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.